Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce some of the new products on my right hand. This is accessories for the convection ones. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. And we do have the base for these wheels. And this one is about like a 4 inches wide. And the 4.5 inches deep. And from the units we can see they come with a couple of screws holes right here. You can mount on the units. And they're pretty well to moving. And the center of the diameter for the wheels, it is about like 5.5 inches for this one. And also we come in with the 2 brakes on the first 2 units, the 2 wheels. And looking the side of the accessories from the manufacturers, they give you a couple of the metal gaskets and all the screws, connection parts here. And also these metal panels for you to help in the install it. For the first part, it is about like a 27 and 1/4 inches long and 2 inches wide. And for the second one, they are about like a 4 inches wide and 24.5 inches long. Okay, this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to ask us.